Open house Sunday, March 8, 20, from 12-1 p.m. Don't miss out on this well-maintained ranch-style home in Washburn. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You will be pleasantly surprised with the higher quality flooring found throughout the home. It has a great layout. The basement has a wonderful family room that is great for watching movies. There is plenty of storage available in this home. Recent updates include new furnace, 2016, new roof and garage doors, 2014, painted exterior and shed, 2014, and a smartphone-controlled wireless thermostat. Attached is a generous 2-stall garage. Outside, there is a large deck that is great for entertaining and relaxing. The backyard includes the playset, shed, and 2 apple trees. This is